This is Sage and Fletcher. And Sage just turned 2. And Fletcher is almost 7 weeks old.
Hi.
Say hi. What are you telling? Very gentle.
Hey, handsome boy.
Hi, handsome boy. He doesn't want it, honey. Leave it alone. What else? No. What else do you tell him? What else do you tell him? Can you tell him, hi, little tiny boy?
Elsa!
He went bye-bye.
Yeah.
He went back to the North Pole. Can you tell Fletcher? What else can you tell him? Careful, honey. No, no. What else can you tell Fletcher? I got it, honey. He doesn't want it right now. What else can you tell him? Say, love you, Fletcher.
Hi, boy. Hi. Hi. Be nice with her. Hi, boy. Pick him up.
No, no, honey. No, no, honey.
Hi. Hi, boy. Hi.
What else do you tell Fletcher?
Hi.
What else do you tell him, honey? Watch what you're doing with your hands.
Hi, boy.
Is he a little tiny boy?
Hi.
Watch your hands.
Hi.
Or is he a big boy?
Big boy.
What is he?
A big
Hey, watch your hands. Turn down here.
big bulldog. Hi.
Be careful, honey.
Hi, boy. Hi. Hi.
Can you give him a kiss on his head?
Yeah.
Very gentle. Oh. Is he a big boy or a little tiny boy?
Hi. Hi.
What is he? Is he big or little tiny boy? Get up there by him, honey. Mommy can't see you on the video.
Turning it on.
Is he a big boy or a little boy?
Hi.
Hmm?
Little boy. Hi, Julie.
Can you blow Mommy a kiss? That's enough kisses. Can you blow Mommy a kiss? Say, love you, Fletcher.
Love her.
Say, love you, Fletcher.
Kissy piggy toes.
Okay, kiss his piggy toes. Can you say, love you, Fletcher?
Here's you.